Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrating a UK OSCE pain assessment using the PQRST framework. My patient is Sarah Williams. Let's see the scenario first. You are a band 5 nurse working on a surgical ward. Your patient is Sarah Williams, 67 years old woman who was admitted earlier today after sleeping in her bathroom at home. She reported landing on her lower back during the fall. She is currently lying in bed and appears uncomfortable. She is alert and oriented to time, place, and person. Her vital signs are stable, but she is complaining of significant lower back pain. She is reluctant to move due to discomfort. She has not yet received an analgesia since admission. Your task is to carry out a structured pain assessment using the PQRST framework, provide reassurance, assess her pain appropriately, and escalate any concern to the multidisciplinary team if required. This is our scenario. Okay, I will begin by ensuring patient safety, gaining concern, and then carrying out a structured pain assessment. Before approaching the patient, I perform hand hygiene according to the WHO guidelines. Now I'm going to approach the patient. Hello, my name is Nurse Sarah and I'm one of the nurses looking after you today. Before we started, would it be alright, can I check your ID please? Would it be alright if I touch your wristband? Could you please confirm your full name and date of birth please? Your hospital number is N343222. I can see you are wearing a red wristband. Do you have any allergies to medication, food or latex? Oh, what kind of allergic reaction you get from that? Thank you. I will ensure this is documented and avoided in your care, okay? Can I just ask what brought you here in the hospital? Why? What happened? So sorry to hear that. Oh, so sorry to hear that. I understand you are experiencing pain today. I would like to carry out a structured pain assessment to understand it better and guide your treatment. Is that okay? Before we continue, would you like me to help reposition you to make more comfortable? The better? Can you please point to where the pain is? What caused the pain? What makes the pain worse? What makes this better? Can you please describe what the pain feels like? For an example, would you describe it as dull, stabbing, burning, throbbing, or soothing? Would you say the pain is intense? Does the pain stay in one place or does it spread anywhere else? Does it travel down your legs? On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no pain and 10 is the worst pain, how would you rate your pain right now? So sorry to hear that. I will record that as 8 out of 10. When did the pain start? Is it constant or does it come and go? Was it sudden or gradual onset? Have you had any pain relief since arriving in the hospital? Thank you. I will escalate this to the doctor and arrange appropriate pain relief for you. Mrs. Williams, thank you for answering my questions. Based on your assessment, I will communicate my findings to the doctor and multidisciplinary team. We will continue to reassure your pain regularly, especially after any pain relief has been given. I will document all findings in your nursing notes and pain assessment chart. Do you have any questions or concern? Thanks again. I have to go now. If you need me anything else, just press this call button. Is that alright? Are you comfortable at the moment? Thank you. To conclude, I would ensure the patient is comfortable and reassured. I would communicate my findings, including the pain score and assessment details, to the multidisciplinary team. I would ensure regular assessment of the patient's pain, especially after any interventions or analgesia. I would accurately document all findings in the patient's note and pain chart. I would then perform hand hygiene according to the WHO guidelines. That completes my pain assessment demonstration. I hope this video helpful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Good luck for your preparation. Thank you.